This is the Amazon River. Welcome to Egypt. With me, I've brought these things. I brought a slingshot, a water bottle, a package of Mr. Noodles, and a Swiss Army knife. With these tools, I will have to survive a whole night in the harsh tundra of Greenland. I'm Bear Grease, and you're watching Bear Grease, Boy vs. Nature. Okay guys, today we're gonna build a shelter. There's 3 main steps in building a shelter. The first one comes the foundation. Foundation is incredibly important as it serves as the skeleton of the shelter. The second one I would call is the muscle, which makes the heat. The muscle looks a little bit like this. Now the third most important element is just the outside, the skin. The skin is the most valid one, the one that you want to keep the most, pardon me. I've been in the woods for a long time. So, the third one looks a little bit like a leaf, you know? So you take all these 3 elements, you create yourself a shelter. Let's get into that. Alright guys, so now we're going to be building the foundation. Foundation, you're going to need yourself a couple sturdy sticks like these ones over here. What do you get? This one, you know, maybe a couple of rocks to weigh down the sticks, because the sticks can be a little bit twiggly under the sun. So, you could also try knocking down one of these fellas right here, but it usually takes quite a bit of effort and pain and a little bit of here's another stick we could use. This one I like quite a bit because it has as I was saying, this one's nice because it has a lot of variety in the color. You are white and brown and a little bit of orange. So, as I was saying, you're gonna need some rocks. This rock is quite nice, I'd say, and probably this one as well. Now, this rock is quite strong. Oh! So, now that we have the foundation all assembled, we're gonna have to build it. Our next step after the building of the foundation will be the skin, which is mainly leaves and a little bit of spit. Alrighty. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and place our foundation here on the ground, and that's quite good. Now let's go get the skin. Alright, so what you're gonna need for the skin is a bunch of leaves. So what kind of leaves you want? Any kind of leaves. You know, tree leaves. Maybe some branches. If they break off, if they don't break off, it's not gonna work. You're gonna need these kind of leaves. More of these kind of leaves. Maybe gonna need a little bit of these little babies here. I think you got plenty enough of leaves. So now go back to our settlement. All the different things we wanted to build. And we've got all we need here to build a nice, strong shelter. Now we need to build it. Stop filming. What? Alright guys. Alright, so what we're gonna do is build a sort of trapezoid shape with these beautiful sticks. This one is quite a nice one because I love the variety in color. I've already said that. Gonna need to build a trapezoid shape.
So, Jim, you're just giving up on showing them how to build a shelter?
Don't show the tent! I said don't show the tent!
Jim, are you alright?
I said don't show the tent, you. Hey guys, Beggars here, and welcome to the wild. Today we're gonna go hunting for some chicken, because food is an essential part of survival. I smell a chicken. Let's get it. Oh, I'm thinking the chicken. I can feel it close. I think we found it. I've caught the chicken, and now it's time to cook it. You gotta make sure you cook the chicken fully, because otherwise you might get some explosive diarrhea. Now I've got enough nutrients to survive the whole night.
Yeah, it's pretty windy, Jim. I don't think we should film in this weather.
No, it's gonna be fine, don't worry. Now, have you started filming it yet?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey guys, Beggars here, and here we are in the windy prairies of the rainforest. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to be doing some fishing.
It's really windy.
Here we have it, a nice river. And we're going to be doing some fishing. Hey!
Jim? Jim, are you alright?
Oh crap.